Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, what we're gonna be talking about is gonna be change of character and break of structure, all right? Now, you guys already know I'm always trying to make things simple for you, okay? I'm always trying to make things simple for you. I'm trying to simplify things for you guys. All right. Now, nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. If you want financial advice, go talk to a financial advisor. All right. Now, with that being said, change of character, break of structure. These two terms are like a smart money concept term, right? SMC, right? It's a smart money concept term. It helps you understand the activity of institutional buyers, sellers, investors. Okay? It helps you find the direction that a stock is going into. So, what is the difference between change of character and break of structure? First off, I use a tool that helps me see change of character and break of structure. I use Lux Algo. It's the same tool that I've been talking about. I have a tutorial coming out, right? It's the same tool, right? My fair value gap and order block tool. Okay. So with that being said, change of character and break of structure. Simply put, change of character lets you know a trend reversal, okay, off of the previous high. Simple, right? Trend reversal. Now, break of structure lets you know a continuation of the trend. That's it, okay? Change of character lets you know a trend reversal. Break of structure lets you know a continuation of the trend, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the charts. We're going to go to IWM. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. Okay. So we got IWM right here. Now let's go to the hourly time frame. All right. So check this out. So we're going to go here. All right. So change of character first. Let's go over change of character. So right here, we have a change of character. Okay. Boom. So we were up, we came down, and then what happened? We bounce here, boom. That's a change of character, right? That's a little reversal off of this trend off the hourly time frame. Okay. Now, that's a change of character. And then look what happened. Right here, the trend is over. And what happened? It comes down. Now, this happened in pre-market, right? So kind of like you can't fully trade the whole move in pre-market, right? So if you got in the puts right here, then in the morning time, you would have got cooked, right? But change of character, right? So it shows a trend reversal, okay? Now, what about break of structure? If we're in an uptrend, like we're in an uptrend here, right? Look what happens. This shows you that the uptrend, it broke the structure of the uptrend, and now it's going to confirm that it's going higher. And that's why we see this right here, okay? You see that BOS right there? That break of structure? Then we end up gapping up, and then we came down. right? Break of structure. Now, let's go. So we see we see the change of characters all the time, right? Because the market is going up and down, right? Change of character here, boom, right? So that's on the hourly. Now look at this one, break of structure, right? So this is a change of character, right? Boom, came up, and then it rejected and it came down. Then it came back up, right? So now we got this little high right here. This high got tested multiple times, and then look what happened. We broke the structure, break of structure, and now we're continuing to the upside, right? And then we go to, you could look at this on multiple different time frames. You're going to see a break of structure and a change of character on the daily as well. Like I say, I use Lux Algo, right? So it's really just, when a structure is hit, when we have a previous low or a previous high, and then we reject or reverse on that level, that is a change of character, right? Because we're coming down and now we bounce, and then boom, we have a change of character, right? But then if we break below the low, right, and we're in a downtrend, then this is gonna be a break of structure, and then we're continuously coming to the downside, or we're continuously going to the upside, okay? So that is really all it is. You can look at this on any stock. You can look at it on any time frame. You are gonna see that, right? So like, for example, look at Robinhood, right? See how it says change of character right here? Because it came up and then it came down. But we were already in this downtrend, right? So look what happens. Broke the structure of the low of the downtrend. And what does that do? That means that, okay, it's going to continue down. So we go from 68 down to 63. All right. So that is that. That's what that break of structure means. Right. Look at here, right here. Okay. This is a break of structure right here. It broke the lows of the downtrend low. And then it did come down a little bit more. It came up and retested, and then it ended up going all the way down, right? So when you see a change of character, you can understand that the character, right? The character of the trend, it changes, which means that it's reversing. Depending on what time frame you're on, that's going to let you know. How long that trend will last. Break of structure is we're already in a downtrend. We broke below the low of the downtrend. Now that structure broke. Now we're going to keep going lower, or vice versa to the upside. Okay. So simply put, a change of character shows you a trend reversal on whatever time frame you're looking on. A break of structure lets you know a trend continuation in the direction of the macro trend that it's already in. All right. Now, I do not pay attention to the 5-minute time frame, the 1 minute, 2 minute. I don't pay attention to that. If you want to look at that, you got to understand that the smaller the time frame, the more you're going to get jerked around regardless. So the bigger time frames are going to help you with your direction. It's going to force you to be more patient, but your win percentage and your amount of money you're going to make is just going to be bigger. All right. So I hope that you guys use this and you understand this. I hope that I simplified this in a big way. I don't want this stuff to be confusing and overwhelming. I want you to be able to watch my video and be like, oh, that makes sense. I don't even know why I didn't make it that simple, right? It does not have to be as hard as we make it, right? So that's change of character, and that's break of structure. I use the tool Lux Algo, okay? And it shows me that, because you can't find every single change of structure, every single break of structure. You can't find that, every single one. That's why I like to use the tool, because it shows me everything that I need to know. And it does it automatically. All right. So Go make sure that you invest in yourself, in your trading, right? Get the tool. I'm not making no money off of it. I just know how effective the tool actually is. All right, so with that being said, y'all, I hope that this video helped you guys out. Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right, and also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right, y'all have a great day. I'm gonna holler at you guys on the next video. All y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.